utilizing new technology in a very old business is kind of the next wave of the future. A small team has spent the last couple of years developing new ways to effectively and efficiently do the work that we do today, and technology has been the foundation.
Anytime you can keep a human out of an unsafe space and do it with a machine, everyone's safer. We use Stryker robots to do shotgun blasting to keep people out of harm's way. We've also purchased and invested in companies that build and design robotic tank cleaning equipment.
The exciting thing about the technology now is they're shrinking it down. We're leveraging that portability and deploying small teams that are highly skilled and competent, and we're bringing a higher level of reporting and data to our clients.
The drones we utilize have fixed gimbals where the cameras are wide-angle lenses, telephoto lenses, and thermal intervals. So RGB cameras, color photography, and thermal photography, where you can take thermal measurements from as well.
So not only does it help us with surveying, overflights, if there's a large-scale natural disaster and we have to go out and find that petroleum product on the water, the days of taking a boat out there and looking for this oil are long gone, where you can just send the bird up in the air and take a quick peek in 30 minutes. It also gives us another avenue to really target new sectors, whether it's agriculture, it's surveying, it's LiDAR mapping.
We're always working to improve the way we protect our employees and our customers alike, which is why this technology is so interesting, because it does both.